the Invisible Man. I'm
Everyone,
the
Rene
invisible,
Deceuninck from IPB Ltd in London, and I teach body language worldwide. So many people ask me questions such as, what will I learn during these courses? What are the benefits and what will be the outcome? Well, first of all, welcome. And what you will learn are all kinds of techniques in terms of body language, your own body language and the body language of someone else. Secondly, yes, you will learn a lot of things that you can use the day after immediately. And thirdly, your results will go through the roof. You are really going to become a mind through body reader and see what's never being said. You're going to negotiate on a completely different level afterwards, and your confidence, your self-confidence will go through the roof. You're going to discover lie versus the truth, right? And so many more. Instead of pushing people away, you're going to pull them towards you. So I invite you to our workshop on January 26th about body language, and yeah, looking forward to catch up with you.